Hi, good morning. It's my 64th day of 75-day challenge, and I just did my meditate. I also did running, exercise, everything at their timing. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing great, and I wanted to share you something. So let's get on directly. Actually, I've seen lots of thing in my friends and in my relatives who are at my age. Actually, they were suffering with loneliness. So I found little bit, this is childish thing. Means first of all, you have to learn. You should know how to be alone. Okay, yeah, because you will going to end up your life with alone. There's no any person going to be with you. Okay, so you should learn how to be alone, and it's a world's most good feeling and wonderful feeling. You could never imagine how it's a good thing to be with yourself. Yeah, just yeah, like this way, because I'm also staying with myself. I do every work by my own, yeah. So you should learn. Okay, so let me tell you directly. I'm not wanting to waste your time. So I'm going to tell you how you should, means how you could learn and how you could survive with yourself. Okay, so yeah. So in this video I can't cover entire thing, so I will make the second part of this video. So let me tell you the first thing. So first thing is, first of all, go somewhere a pleasable place like garden or somewhere, there was no any person. Just took a paper and pen and go. Just you and with yourself, that's it. Okay, then go there and sit and think. The first thing is, you have to think, it's really necessary, means you are being alone. Means if there's an option, you can go and stay with your parents, then go. Don't be alone. Okay, yeah, it's so easy. Just think about it little bit deeply. It's really necessary to be alone, because sometimes lots of people, they're staying far from their family because of just confusion and for also study. I will tell you, if you have no option and you have to stay with yourself, then how you could be alone with yourself. Okay, I will tell you in second video, but the first thing you have to do is just go somewhere at placeable place and just think about it. Write those things you're feeling, everything what you feel, and think about it. It's really important. You have to stay alone. If not, then go with live with your family. Okay, yeah, don't be alone. Okay, so yeah, that's this. The first thing you have to do this one, and I will tell you tomorrow the second thing. Okay, so and also my timing is going to finish, so bye, see you tomorrow on my next day.